How to fix ChatGPT unusual error activity detected. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can fix ChatGPT's error, that is unusual activity detected on your device. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So watch till the end. First of all, open up your settings. After you're on your settings, we'll just skip this step first and head over to Wi-Fi first. So make sure you connect it to the Wi-Fi and your connection is good and stable. After you've made that sure, you can then head back. What you can also do is check for any VPN connection. So make sure that the VPN that you use is trusted, and in this case just don't use VPN at all for now. After you do that, you can then go back here, scroll down till you find your my bad, simply search for location services here, and after you find location services, open that up and make sure that you've turned on location services. After you've turned on location services, what you can then do is simply offload the app. We are offloading the app to clear out the cache from ChatGPT's app. So search for your general on your settings, search for iPhone storage, search for ChatGPT here, and after you find it, tap on offload app and offload it completely. After you offload it, you can simply reinstall the app and check if it works just fine. Finally, you can also take a new extra step by going to the App Store, searching for ChatGPT, and after you search for it, if you see an update option available right here, tap on the update button app, and after you do so, your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.